This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 38 when we will discuss a program which will be used to draw a parallelogram by using draw statement in GW basic programming language. So let's switch to the IDE. So here we are in the IDE of GW basic programming language. Viewers, in line 10 we will type RAM and then type asterisk like we have been doing in previous programs, RAM, and then name the program parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram by using draw statement. Line 50 we will start screen 2 and then type line 60. We will use pset to locate the position of the pixel. 250 and 50 are the coordinates. Line 70 we will type draw R55 E20 L55 and G20. Line 80 we will type E and EN. I will press the F4 key and type parallel.bas, name of the program. Now I press the F2 key so you can see a parallelogram on the screen, viewers. So how it is drawn, let's see. So we have noticed that the first we have used screen 2 statement, means that we have worked in the high resolution graphics mode, and then we have used pset statement which locates the x and y position, and the x and y position is actually this. Here we can see the position is 250 and 50, x coordinates and y coordinates in here. Then we have used the right statement which it will draw the line from this point to this place. From right means from left to right the line will be drawn and it will be of 55 pixels, and E20 will draw a line diagonally up and right, and then L55 will draw a line of 55 pixels from this point to the left side, and G20 is used to draw a line diagonally left and down. So this is the diagonal down and left, this is the diagonal up and right, this is right and this is left. So this is how a parallelogram is drawn on the screen. So let's discuss this, its interpretation, viewers. So viewers, now we will discuss the interpretation. So in line 10 till line 40, RAM statements are used for remarks which are non-executable statements. In line 50 screen 2 statement is used which will display the output in high resolution. Line 60 P set statement is used, which will locate the pixel position and x coordinate (25) and y coordinate 50. In line 70, draw statement is used to draw lines R55 will draw a line from left to right side consisting of 55 pixels, and then E20 will draw a line diagonally up and right consisting on 55 pixels, and then L55 will draw a line from left to right consisting of 55 pixels, and in the end G20 will draw a line diagonally down and left consisting of 20 pixels. Here we will type 55 and the E20 will draw a line diagonally up and right consisting of 20 pixels. I want to make a correction over here. So viewers, G20 will draw a line diagonally down and left consisting of 20 pixels, and eventually we will be able to draw a parallelogram on the screen. So this is how it is drawn first, from left to right of 55 pixels. Line will be drawn from left to right like this, and then diagonally up and right of 20 pixels, and then from right to left. This statement L55 will draw a line from right to left consisting of 55 pixels, and then eventually finally G20 will draw a line diagonally down and left consisting of 20 pixels. So in the end we will get a parallelogram on the screen. That's all viewers. Thanks for watching.